In this Teamwork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new event. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Teamwork. Make sure you have your enterprise or location selected, then choose Collaboration. Go to your new top menu bar and choose Events. This is your events calendar. To add a new event, click Add above the calendar to the right. When creating a new event, you do need to decide when that event starts and ends. So I'll click this calendar icon, and let's say that it starts the 24th. Then I can choose this calendar icon, and maybe we'll say this is a 2-day event, it ends the 25th. And I'll have this starting from 12 in the morning and going all the way to 11:30 at night. Maybe I'll put the title of this event as Offices Closed. This is Christmas Eve and Christmas, and we're going to say the building is shut down completely. So in the notes, I'll say no access for anyone. If I want to allow people to reply to this event, I can click this box to allow replies. In this case, I don't, so I'm going to leave that off. If you changed your mind and you don't want to create this event, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. Now this event has been created and saved. If I want this event to come up on my employee's calendar, I need to share it with them. Choose the Shares tab, and now I can decide who this event is shared with. I could pick it by individual, or I can click this arrow and choose by location or by folder. I'll choose location. With, I can choose any, or I can choose employee specifically or manager specifically. I want to share this event with everyone at this location, so I'm going to choose any. Then click List. Now all of the people who work at that location are going to be listed to the left. To select specific people, you can click their name and choose Add. If I want to add everyone, I can click the first person, hold down the Shift key, scroll all the way down, and click the last person. That will select everyone. Now I can choose Add again, and everyone has been added. If I changed my mind and I don't want to share it with one of these people, I could choose that option and then select Remove. And now that location and person has been removed. Or if I want to start completely over, I can choose Remove All, and now everyone has been removed. To have that list come up again on the left, choose List again, and now that list comes back up. I'll go ahead and add everyone back. If you don't want to share this event, choose Close. I do, so I'm going to select Save. And now that event has been added to everyone's calendar. To exit out of this window, click Close. And if I scroll down, you'll see that event has been added to the 24th and 25th of this month. That's how you can create an event in Teamwork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to view and edit an event that has already been created.